address. Then write a note like dinner split to keep things very clear. And next, send the payment request or payment. Then your friend can pay their share directly through Cash App. So here are some tips to make it very easy. Always tell your friend how much each person owes. Use the request features to keep everything organized. And lastly, you can check who has paid by looking at your activity in the app. And that's it. That's how easy it is to split bills on Cash App. Like, subscribe, comment below if you want more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.